So you can get nice and close. All right, we're going to read Join the Watershed Defense League. We're going to read the story and learn how to fight against the stormwater monster. You guys ready? All right, let's walk. All right, ready? We've got, I'm Stormy, the stormwater monster. Who dares to stop me from polluting this watershed? Uh-oh. Ready? I'll stop you, Stormy. I'm in the Watershed Defense League, and our mission is to protect Tinkers Creek Watershed. The question is, what is a watershed?
A body of water?
Yes, it's interconnected. Well, let's find out. A watershed is an area of land that drains rain and snow into rivers and streams, like Tinkers Creek. Eventually, our water ends up in Lake Erie, where it is used for drinking and fishing. Our watershed cradles the Tinkers Creek and provides drainage for Twinsburg and many other communities. Healthy watersheds play a huge role in supporting our economy and environment. Very important stuff. This is too, all right, so we got a lot more walking to do. Are you ready? All right, let's go. You guys gonna Sonic that? Ready for the next page? Yeah, ready? Oh no, the stormwater monster, ready? I follow the stormwater's path, slipping into a hidden world of storm drains. Pollution gives me strength to unleash my power upon this delicate watershed. Oh no. Have you ever noticed a drain in the road or a parking lot?
Yes.
Yeah, you got something to rain? Rain and snow melt runoff from parking lots, driveways, and roads is channeled into storm drains. These drains collect water and pollutants like litter, oil, gas from leaky vehicles, and pet waste. Ew. Especially during heavy rainfall. Storm drains reduce flooding by moving large amounts of water into underground pipes, which transport water and contaminants directly into Tinkers Creek, ultimately leading to Lake Erie. Storm drains play a vital role in swiftly moving large volumes of rainwater from our homes and businesses, reducing the chance of flooding even during heavy downpours. All right, so this was 3 of 6. Are you ready? Yes. Move on to 4. I'm ready. Tinkers Creek in Twinsburg flows directly into the Cuyahoga River. Stormwater pollution here ends up in Lake Erie, where pollution can make a big, bad impact. You are in Tinkers Creek Watershed. Tinkers Creek is the largest tributary, 28.2 miles, that drains water directly into the Cuyahoga River, which eventually flows into Lake Erie. Notice on the 2 maps where Tinkers Creek Watershed is located within Northeast Ohio. Look at the map of Tinkers Creek Watershed. You will see cities within the watershed and the percentage of water that sheds into the area from the creek. And look at that. You are
here.
Twinsburg, 14.4% goes into the watershed. Oh man. All right, we're at 4 of 6. You guys ready? Okay. Set. Team up to beat Stormy. We can keep Tinkers Creek clean and safe by making sure we throw away yucky stuff the right way. We can protect Tinkers Creek Watershed and dispose of pollutants responsibly. Pollutants come in both visible and invisible forms. Visible pollutants are those you can see easily, including cigarettes, food wrappers, pet waste, motor oil. Hidden and invisible pollutants also go down the drain, including bacteria and fertilizers and pesticides.
I thought it was popsicles.
Popsicles? I mean, you probably don't want to put popsicles in the watershed. Probably not. They're better in your belly, right? All right, we're at 5 of 6. You ready for the last one? Ready, set, go! This involves audience participation. Ready? All right. We're going to take the pledge and become an official Watershed Defense League member. Together, we can reduce Stormy's impact on Tinkers Creek. Join us on this important mission. Slow the flow of stormwater. Plant native plants in your lawn and garden to help absorb the rain. Get a rain barrel to capture rain from going into Stormy's storm drains. Together, our small choices can make a big impact. Let's defeat Stormy and protect Tinkers Creek. Are you guys ready? This is the Watershed Defense League pledge. All right, I pledge to protect our watershed and the creatures that call it home. I promise to. All right, everyone put up your hands. Oh yeah, no. You guys too. Everybody's a part of this. All right, ready? You gotta repeat after me. Ready? I promise you to keep our waters clean by picking up trash.
I pledge to keep our water clean by picking up trash.
Plant trees and native plants.
Plant trees and native plants.
Be a friend to the fish, frogs, and birds of Tinker's Creek.
Be a friend to the fish, frogs, and birds of Tinker's Creek.
All right. I'm a proud member of the Watershed Defense League.
I'm a proud member of the Watershed Defense League.
And I will keep Tinker's Creek safe and healthy.
And I will keep Tinker's Creek safe and healthy.
Fantastic. And use hashtag #FightStory on socials to share how you're protecting Tinker's Creek. Awesome job, everybody.